Hi, it's me Tina Amir and welcome to my channel. So for today we're going to learn about vocabs at the construction site. In Malay, at the construction site is di tapak pembinaan. For this video, actually I'm going to use the formal pronunciation and also informal pronunciation. Please pay attention to that and remember, informal pronunciation is the one that we use for speaking. Di tapak pembinaan, same formal and informal pronunciation. So di is at, this is formal Malay sentence. Tapak is site. Pembinaan from the root word bina. Bina is construct. Pembinaan, construction. So tapak pembinaan, construction site. Okay, we start with the first one. Ho. Ho in Malay is, this is formal pronunciation. Cangkul. Cangkul. Informal pronunciation. Cangkul. Cangkul. Second one is hammer. Formal pronunciation. Tukul. Tukul. Informal pronunciation. Tukul. 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 Number 3, chisel. So same formal and informal pronunciation. Pahat. 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 Number 4, screwdriver. So screwdriver is pemutar screw. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Pemutar screw. Screwdriver. Pemutar screw. Number 5, nail. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Paku. 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 And then number 6, spana. In Malay, same formal and informal pronunciation. Spana. Sepana. Spana. We don't say sepana, please bear in mind. We say spana, also for informal pronunciation. And then number 7, vice. Vice is same formal and informal pronunciation. Ragum. Ragum. And then we also have pincer. Number 8, screw. So in Malay also same formal and informal pronunciation. Screw. Number 9, ladder. Formal pronunciation. Tangga. Tangga. Informal pronunciation. Tangga. Tangga. Number 10, axe. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Kapak. Kapak. Number 11, drill. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Gerudi. Gerudi. Number 12, chain. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Rantai. Rantai. Number 13, mallet. Mallet, formal pronunciation. Tukul kayu. Tukul kayu. Informal pronunciation. Tukul kayu. Tukul kayu. Number 14, plane. Plane is ketam. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Number 15, water pipe. Water pipe is pipe air. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Pipe air. Number 16, pen. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Cat. Cat. Number 17, spade. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Penyodok. Penyodok. Number 18, labourer. Labourer is, in Malay, this is formal pronunciation. Buruh binaan. Informal pronunciation. Buruh binaan. And then number 19, bolt. Bolt is penyelak. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Normally, we prefer to use the word selak. Selak. Same formal and informal pronunciation. And then number 20, sand. Formal pronunciation. Pasir. Pasir. Informal pronunciation. Pasir. Pasir. Number 21, saw. Saw. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Gergaji. Gergaji. Number 22, cement. Cement. So in Malay, same formal and informal pronunciation. Cement. Cement. Number 23, bricks. Bricks is batu bata. This is formal pronunciation. Batu bata. But informal pronunciation. Batu bata. Stone is batu. Number 24, planks. Planks is papan. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Papan. And wood is kayu. kayu. Same also formal and informal pronunciation. And then number 25, plan. In Malay, same formal and informal pronunciation, pelan, pelan. Number 26, rope. Same formal and informal pronunciation, tali, tali. Number 27, crane. Formal and informal pronunciation, crane also, just different spelling. Number 28, tie. Tie is genting. Formal pronunciation, genting. But informal pronunciation, genting. But normally people say tie. Number 29, wire. So in Malay, same formal and informal pronunciation, dawai, dawai. Number 30, set square. Set square, same formal and informal pronunciation, sesiku, sesiku. Number 31, wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is, this is formal pronunciation, kereta sorong, kereta sorong. Informal pronunciation, kereta sorong, kereta sorong. And then number 32, welding torch. Formal pronunciation, obor kimpalan. Informal pronunciation, obor kimpalan, obor kimpalan. But somehow, I think people prefer to use welding torch. Number 33, bulldozer. Same formal and informal pronunciation, jentolak, jentolak. I think people prefer to use the word bulldozer than jentolak. And then number 34, safety helmet. Same formal and informal pronunciation, topi keleda keselamatan. Topi keleda keselamatan. Number 35, scaffolding. Same formal and informal pronunciation, perancah. So this perancah can be iron. Iron is besi. So perancah besi. And it can also be wood, which is kayu. So perancah kayu. Number 36, tapaulin. Tapaulin, I think Malay words also tapaulin, but I'm sorry if I make a mistake here. But tapaulin is a canvas, it's a waterproof one. Sometimes it's with tar or sometimes it's with paint. Number 37, insulation board. Insulation board is papan penebat. Papan penebat. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Number 38, polystyrene. In Malay, same formal and informal pronunciation, polystyrena. Polystyrena. But somehow nobody say like that. Everybody say polystyrene. And then number 39, construction foam. So construction foam is formal pronunciation, buih pembinaan. Buih pembinaan. Informal pronunciation, buih pembinaan. Buih pembinaan. Number 40, plaster, stucco. In Malay, same formal and informal pronunciation, plaster, plaster. I hope I pronounce this correctly. Plaster, plaster. Number 41, concrete saw. Concrete saw is gergaji concrete. Gergaji concrete. Same formal and informal pronunciation. Number 42 is gravel. So gravel is formal pronunciation, kerikil. Kerikil. Informal pronunciation, kerikil, kerikil. And then number 43, plywood, plywood. Formal pronunciation, papan lapis. Informal pronunciation, papan lapis, papan lapis. And number 44, shovels. So in Malay, sekup, sekup. Same formal and informal pronunciation. I'm sorry if I make a mistake, but you may comment down below if you not agree with me, because I'm not expert, but I try to include something which I know. And if you're working at the construction site, please keep in mind safety first. I guess that's all our lesson for now about vocabs. Next video gonna be about conversation at the construction site. Thank you very much for watching me, and if you like my video, please check out my Patreon page so that I can have more time to make more video. Thank you very much and see you again next lesson. Bye!